Hey, guys, are you eating a delicious lunch? It's time for Green Boy cooking. This time, we will make a rose dumpling bento that is a rose-shaped dumpling. There are various types of dumplings, such as deep-fried, baked, and steamed, but today I would like to make them baked. So let's make it now. First, prepare the minced meat. Normally, I think I use minced pork, but there are also taste issues, so cheap minced chicken is fine. This time, I will use minced chicken. Put minced meat in a bowl and add seasoning, sesame oil, salt, garlic, ginger, potato starch. Knead lightly once before adding all ingredients. At this time, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, prepare a plastic bag, put everything in it, and knead it. After knead to some extent, add the rest of the ingredients and knead further. Add finely chopped Chinese chive. Add cabbage. Adjust the amount to your liking. If the proportion of meat is high, it will be very satisfying to eat. However, if you add a lot of vegetables, you can increase the amount and it is easy to eat, and the food will progress. After kneading, leave it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to make the taste more familiar. Next, prepare the dumpling skin. You can make dough from flour, but this time we will use commercially available dumpling skin. Put 1 piece of dumpling skin. Soak a little water on the right edge of the dumpling skin and layer it with the second skin. Prepare a total of 3. Place the minced meat thinly in the middle of the dumpling skin. Add a little water to the top of the dumpling skin and layer it with the dumpling skin turned up from below. If you add too much meat, you will not be able to roll it later, so be careful. After closing it so that no air remains, roll it sideways. Imagine a beautiful rose flower. The rose flower made from dumplings is surprisingly easy, and even if your hands are clumsy, you can do it unexpectedly well. Please check after winding. Did you become a rose flower? If it doesn't look like a rose, when you explain it to someone, say this is a rose first. Sprinkle some vegetable oil in a frying pan and line up the dumplings. Bake lightly on medium heat and make sure the bottom is browned. After that, add a little water and steam it. Use a strong heat, cover and steam for a few minutes, then remove the water and you're done. This time, I made it with 3 pieces of dumpling skin, but if you make it with 4 pieces, it will be a big rose, so please adjust the steaming time. Let's put the beautiful steamed roses in the bento box. After adding rice, spread mesclun greens. Let's line up the rose dumplings on it. The rose dumpling bento is complete. Let's eat. The gyoza skin and the ingredients inside are layered, so the response to eating is outstanding. The sauce can be a commercially available sauce for dumplings, but it is also delicious to eat with your favorite sauce that is a little spicy with soy sauce and vinegar. This time it's a bento box, so I dared to line up the dumplings on top of the rice. However, I hear that dumplings and rice are not eaten together in China. In the Japanese way of eating, we often eat it at the table as a side dish of rice, which fills our stomach. Gyoza is a dish that you can enjoy in various ways depending on the shape and cooking method. I would like to incorporate it into my bento box with another cooking method in the future. Please try the dumpling bento that is quick and easy to make.